Xtrons HD100 offers an experience unlike any other on a car headrest. The 10.1-inch digital screen with a resolution of 1024 by 600 pixels achieves an impressive image quality, thus enhancing the viewing experience. With a slot loading mechanism, all you need to do is just slip the disc into the slot and a mechanical arm grabs the disc, drawing it inside the drive. Compared with other loading mechanisms, it is the simplest and the most convenient to use. The built-in multi-region DVD player is compatible with most available DVD and CD formats, thus ensuring the widest possible viewing experience on the market. It is easy to integrate your mobile entertainment with this unit. Enjoy your games with the built-in HDMI port, and it is simple to connect with your mobile phone and the unit. Video sharing is easy with the built-in HDMI port. Your movies and music can be shared with everyone you are traveling with. Expand your media choices by plugging your USB stick or SD card to play music, video, or view photos. The built-in IR transmitter allows you to enjoy your audio files with wireless infrared headphones, and the built-in FM transmitter can send the audio signal from this unit to other radio receivers like the car stereo. Then you can share the audio with other people. And built-in speakers allows you to play audio directly from the unit. Supports 32-bit games, enjoying the games with provided game disc. With an optional AC power adapter, ACO2, the screen is also suitable in home or hotel use, which works on the move. With supplied ISO wire harness, mounting bracket and drive pipes, less than 5 minutes DIY will ensure this headrest is installed in your car perfectly. No need to worry about the damage of your car's interior, airbags and security system.